What's going on, guys? I'm Mickey from McCullough Customs. How you doing? How's everybody doing today? What we do here on this channel is resin. We're focused on resin art, and especially petri dish resin art. That's going to be my absolute favorite. I love looking at how this stuff looks. Just the design on all of this stuff, it's just so satisfying to look at, and the process to make it is even more satisfying. There's going to be videos about how I do resin art, especially like this, so be prepared for more videos like this. But for right now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking directly at the close-up shots and how all of these look. So enjoy the time lapse and enjoy the photos and videos of what's going to be showing up. Is this on? How you doing, everyone? This right here is my very first piece. This is a blue and purple Northern Lights look. The reason why I chose these two colors is my girlfriend and I, these are our favorite colors. Purple is her favorite color, blue is my favorite color, so just trying to see how these two are gonna look like combined, and it turned absolutely amazing. It reminds me a little bit like the Northern Lights, or if you've seen Fantasia, it reminds me of sort of like magic spells that Mickey would cast. So this right here is definitely going down as one of my absolute favorite projects that I've gone recently. It just means a lot. It's very sentimental to me. Our next piece here kind of reminds me of like the surface of the moon, like little galaxy stars right there. But when you look here, it reminds me of just like a beautiful like moon type of texture. If you look there on the far left, it reminds me of like a little alien coming out of the ground, like trying to walk. Like, it's a very, very interesting technique for this. So what I did here was I mixed black and white alcohol inks just to see like the texture it would make. And honestly, it made a very, very interesting texture. I think it did like 3 or 4 different layers of black and white ink. And I think it paid off very, very well. So what do you guys think about this one? Which one's been your favorite absolutely so far? Our last piece today is something I don't even know how it was possible that I did. But this one right here, I classify and I would call it peacock. Because looking at all of these colors, it reminds me of a peacock, and right about here, it looks like a peacock feather. It reminds me just like a peacock feather. Just the colors that come out of this thing, I don't even know if I could be able to recreate this, but I believe this one right here will be the very first one that'll be going up in the McCullough Customs Etsy shop. So get prepared for that, because I believe this one is not going to last long at all. This one is definitely going to sell very, very quickly. Alright guys, what did you think about those? Did you enjoy those time lapses? Because I think they look absolutely amazing. The resin just looks so pretty. I can't wait to start making more of this, and there is going to be a video on the channel, I'd say within a couple days, maybe a week or so. That's going to be probably one of the coolest resin projects I've ever done. I haven't even made it yet. I just wanted to make this video just to show you all about the channel, what's going to be done on this channel. So many different projects is going to be done. There's going to be videos where I actually make this resin, and that's going to be the newest video on the channel. I will give you guys a little sneak peek. This is going to be the only hint. What does that mean? Well, you're just going to have to wait and see. But I have been Mickey from McCullough Customs, and I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this content, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye, and thank you very much.